Hey Alex, I want to take a second and just show you how to upload a video into the course that we're building and just give you a little rundown of what I've figured out so far within the course. First off, thank you for figuring out about embedding YouTube videos. It took me a while, but I finally figured out how to get the embed code for the videos on YouTube. And it's been working like a charm so far, which is awesome. So I owe you a huge thank you for that. But I want to make this quick, and I just want to give you a little quick tutorial on how to access the course. I'm going to hop into Clickfunnels real quick. And I'm sure you've looked at this already, the opt-in page. Probably could use some work. I've been running out of steam from the creative standpoint. I don't know. No, I can't really match these blues up too well. I made like a quick little logo thing that we can change. I just got bored for a second, needed to take my mind away from adding videos, and so I just made a quick logo. But then we've got so obviously it's going to be our lead, landing page to get people to want to buy the course. And then I've got it set up to go to a payment form. Payment form is going to lead someone to create their own their membership access account. And then this is where all the course changes go. So I just wanted to show you how pretty cool and easy this is. So the one thing that's been interesting is that I can't really find a way to view the course just from here. So what I figured out I have to do is just a secret sign up URL, which is here. And then if I do this later on as we test things and save things, then this will give us access to see what it would look like on the user end. And so right now I've just got a list of things that we can go through and talk about. But that's kind of the way that we can test to see what it all looks like on the user side of things. So I just want to show you, there are these sections. So how the course layout works is you can either add a section, and then you can add I believe it's called a new lesson, right? So adding a new lesson section is like adding one of these big things. And that's what's going to show up on that left sidebar of on the user end. So I'll just show you that if we want to add a new section, so let's say we wanted to make a new section about Instagram. Let's say we wanted to do Instagram training, right? That would create a new section, and it's right here. And what's cool, I haven't played around, is you can restrict access, so some people can get access to certain things, some can't. But it could be really cool that we could offer, just parts of our course as their own little, maybe reduced priced courses within themselves. So something we can play with. But let's say I want to add a lesson to the Instagram training. So all I'm going to do is go to add new lesson, and how it pops up is it gives you all of these sections that you have, and we just have to choose which one that we want the lesson to go under. And so we'll choose Instagram training. Let's say, hashtag strategies. And then how this works is we can choose a page template of a resource list, which honestly I haven't done any of these. We could try, but I've just been going straight to video lessons since all of our lessons are video based anyways. Then the one other option we have is a drip delay. So it could be something that like hey, check out, a new video is going to be uploaded on Wednesday at noon, right? And then I can add in how long I want this to be added. Like, I want it to be a day before it shows up on people's access or on their membership side. So I'm just going to create a lesson. And then how we're going to edit this is we're just going to go to Open Editor. And we're going to have a quick this is how they all show up. Sorry, my Zoom takes up some of my screen, but this is how all the lessons show up. And we can manipulate just like within ClickFunnels, like anything else. We can add images, graphics, we can add anything that we want. I've honestly just been going through changing the title, I've been making this little subtitle, the title of the section, and then putting the video in, and then maybe adding some changes to here. I've just been deleting this whole row just because I don't have PDF slides. I think maybe if we have any ebook material, I'll drop it in, but it's really been that simple. So I just wanted to show you. And then the only thing is to make sure that you save things. right? And so then we close. And then just to show you what it will look like on the, so then we go back up here to the secret sign up URL. If we copy that and then paste here, we should be able to see that the Instagram training part's been added now. Cool, down here. So then I can look at what would be hashtag strategies. Cool. And so whatever our first one is the one that first pops up. So I think if I do Facebook ads, it'll go to installing your Facebook pixel. So I'll just show you some of the ones that I've added in so far for like your lead magnet. I've just added from YouTube. And then just starts playing. This is pretty cool.
Hey y'all, how's it going?
We can play around more if we want. You know, obviously we can add more detail in the sections below. We could add images. We could do all kinds of things. We could also consider, instead of having multiple tabs down here, we could just make a long list of video after video after video after video, which I think I might do for the 14 days of content, crushing content, just because it's just going to make this sidebar end up being huge. But yeah, that's it. So I was just going to walk you through. I was going to add the first day of crushing content conundrums, and just so you can see what it looks like on the fly. I'm going to go to Open Editor. Make it real quick. Shoot, let me, you know what, I need to add this to YouTube. I hope this doesn't take too long for you. So anyways, while that's going in there, I'm just going to add this to, this is going to be 14 days of crushing content. Content creation. And then what I'll probably do is something here like add just one column. So I have to double click it. Okay. Let's call this day 1. Personal journey. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna wait for this to upload. I'm gonna make this unlisted. Okay, well, I haven't had this happen where the video has been rejected. I'll have to double check it. But anyways, what I've been doing is just do this. And then if I go to any of our other videos, this is, I just want to show you real quick how we can add in the embed. You might know this already. So if you know this already, don't, you know, obviously you don't have to watch all this. I was just going to show you if I didn't know how to do this, so it took me a little bit, but once I figured it out, it wasn't too bad. Sorry, I duplicated videos a couple times on accident. Let's see. So to embed, I just had to do a right click here, and that's the only way I could figure out how to copy the embed code. So I just want to give you that. And then you can easily go into Clickfunnels. When I go here, and it already has custom embed on video type. You could choose YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, whatever. I just kept custom embed, and then boom, paste the YouTube embed code, and we were all set to go. So that's as easy as it is. I just want to give you that. So I hope this helps. Let me know. I'm going to keep plugging away tonight on trying to build this up. So hope you're doing well. Hope your kids are doing well. Let me know if any of that didn't make sense. Bye, man.